Hi everyone, I'm Chandrasekhar Tata, and it is one of my biggest hobbies to keep making these small but cheap and useful electronic components for household needs. So I've been doing this since my college days, and I'm like, being from electronics background, this is one of my biggest hobbies, and I keep making such devices for a lot of functionalities. So recently I made a device which helps us to keep track of the cooker whistles. So that is essentially a cooker whistle counter, which will if you are cooking it via an induction cooker, it will automatically cut off your induction after that number of whistles are set. So many times what happens is, okay, we put our cooker on the induction, and then we have to keep track of after how many whistles do we have to shut it. And if we are doing some other work like watching television or anything, we might lose count of that. So to solve that problem, I did this. So you can just simply register a count on this device, and it will automatically cut the induction off after that many whistles. So this is actually essentially a two-in-one kind of device. So besides the cooker whistle counter, it also has an ultrasonic sensor based milk overflow controller, sorry. So what that does is, when you put in the milk for boiling, so once that it starts reaching a boiling point, like the milk starts coming up when it boils, so it will cut it off once it reaches a certain level. So it prevents the overflow of milk, and that the mess that it creates, basically overflowing of milk. So today I'm going to demonstrate the working of how it will work in case of a cooker whistle counter. So as you can see, this is my setup. So this is the induction cooker. This is my device. So I've just taken one fiber of box which I ordered on Amazon. You can order this. This is a 4x4 tree pad, and the internalities of this project, the internal circuitry is based on Arduino. Arduino is your fun to do, like my DIY microcontroller kit. So I've done it on Arduino and using PIC 18F microcontrollers. So that one will be is more on a cheaper side of things. So you can see a knob is extended like this, and this is the inductive sensor, which is going to sense a metal. The metal in our case will be the whistle of the cooker. And if you see here, this is the ultrasonic sensor, this one. So when it comes to milk boiling controller, this ultrasonic sensor will sense the level of the milk in the container, and it will cut it off automatically as it sees it boiling. So the way we can select the functionality, whether you want cooker whistle or the milk, is using this switch. So when I turn it on, the light, this is the indication light, this is on. So for this purpose, I'm going to tell you how it is going to function in real world scenario. So you have to select how many whistles you want. So for here, I'm selecting 2. So I press the 2. Okay, and here you can see the indicator has gone on that, okay, something has been selected. So now when the cooker will start doing its work, and when the steam will build up, the whistle will rise to first 1. Like I'm demonstrating how it will happen in real world. And then the second whistle will come 2. So once it comes, you can see that the indicator is going off. It is telling you that, okay, whistle is done, and it will cut off the induction after a sleep of 10 seconds. As you can see, the induction is shut off now. So this is how it's going to function. So elaborating more on the functionality side of things, what goes on internally is, this is the inductive sensor which senses the metal, that is the whistle of this cooker. Okay. So once you press the number, how many whistles you want, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever whistles you want, it registers that count in the controller's memory, and then it monitors how many whistles are coming. So when a required number of whistles are reached, it drives a positive output from the controller, through which we operate a magnetic relay, which is a part of the circuitry, which will get connected to the induction, which is connected to the inductor. So this magnetic relay provides the function of either powering on or powering off the inductor in our induction cooker. So this entire POC of this project, or you can say this product, this is like a fiber based one, and you can see this is the Arduino pinout. So this entire thing was made by me at my home. So I keep doing a lot of these projects, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.